Today we are gonna turn a simple melody like this one into a vocal like this one.
Dreaming of bigger places now.
Yeah, and we are gonna do all of that inside of our DAW. So it's gonna be a completely custom vocal made by you, but you don't have to sing or anything like that. So let me show you how to do it. Also, this video is brought to you by Dreamtonics. First thing first, I do have an instrumental prepared, so we can start adding our vocals in. Just a simple tropical house track, which is ready for some vocals. So how do we create our own custom vocal with our own melody and lyrics? Well, here's how. We are going to be using Synthetizer V Studio 2, and I'm using the plugin. You can also use it separately as a standalone DAW, but I'm gonna use it as a plugin so we don't have to leave FL Studio while creating the vocals. So it will seamlessly integrate into our FL Studio, or any other DAW for that matter. So just drag it in right here. And here it is. As a plugin in FL Studio, you can see there's the FL Studio link. So the BPM is the same as in FL Studio and everything is linked. Now, if we play our project, it will also play in here, which is really nice. So now we can start creating the vocal if we want to. So let's start with something really simple, just so I can show you how it works. We're just gonna add in the notes in the piano roll in this plugin. And at first, it's just gonna be a little piano sound. Just like that, so we can get an idea of the melody. And as you can hear, it is playing along with the song. You don't have to render anything out. So now let's actually choose a voice. So right here, I'm gonna choose Hayden 2. Just so you know, you can get a free trial of Synthesizer V along with some singing voices, so you can try this out completely for free. So now that I added Hayden, we can actually play it, and we'll play it with the singer attached, and the lyrics are just la la la. It's just playing along with the song in the same way this is positioned. The vocal in here, it's positioned in the song as well. So if you play the song, it will play the vocal, and if you move the vocal at the second bar, it will start at the second bar in here as well. So it's synced together, which is really nice. So now let's actually try to add some lyrics, maybe extend the melody a little bit so we have something to work with. And to add lyrics, you just double click the note. So we can do my, and then press tab to go to the next note, live. Tab is tab, beautiful. And as you can see right away, it says this word has multiple syllables, so you should like split it into 2 notes. So we're gonna press OK. It's nice that it gives us tips. So you can press the next note, double click it, and put a plus sign in there. And now it will split the word into 2. So it's 3 syllables. So we can actually split this note, press plus again, and now it's split into beautiful. So yeah, as you can see, it's working just fine. This is not exactly a great example of a nice vocal, but I just wanted to show you how it works in a really simple way. So that's how you add in the notes and the lyrics so they fit nicely. And then of course you can change up the notes and get a completely different melody. But now let's create some melody and lyrics that I'm gonna actually like. And then I'm gonna show you how to work with the vocal to adjust it so it's exactly the way you want it with the vocal modes, AI retakes and stuff like that. So you can adjust the singer's voice quite a bit. Okay, so let me create a little vocal melody and then add in the lyrics. So I'm gonna do this. Split the note, add a plus sign, adjust it so it's exactly how we want it. Just like that. You can also adjust the phoneme timing. You can see all of these right here. So if you want more of the V or F or whatever, you can adjust that. So the timing is exactly how you want it in the vocal. So dreaming of bigger places now. Okay, so you can hear the bigger places is kind of short. So what I want to do is adjust this timing bigger. So I want the to be like longer. Yeah, that's way better. So we can also turn off the song if we just want the vocal.
Dreaming of bigger places now.
So I'm just gonna go like this and create the full melody. I'm not gonna show you the entire process, but this is how I do it. And here is the melody I created.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now. Keep it real in bigger places now, and I will.
So there's our vocal melody with lyrics. Now the fun part is editing the vocal mode, so we get the voice exactly how we want it. So maybe we want this to be like a soft voice, so we just increase the soft parameter, and now it's gonna be a really soft vocal.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now.
Now you can also automate this, so if you want, click the plus sign here, change this to soft, and we can adjust when it's soft and when it's not. So maybe something like this, just for fun.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because
we can adjust that and play around with it.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now.
But I don't want the automation, so I'm just gonna remove the points and we're just gonna adjust it right here for now. So let's try to play around with it until we get the voice that we like.
Dreaming of bigger places now.
Let's try something else.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough.
And as you can see, once you adjust it and press play, it's almost immediate. You don't wait for it to render out and stuff like that.
Dreaming of,
which is probably the best thing about this plugin, because you don't want to wait for it to render every time you change something. So this is really cool. Let's try to do one automation. Let's see how it does. Falsetto. So let's say in this one, the keep it real, since it's so high, let's say we want some falsetto on those words.
Keep it real.
And what about the other way?
Keep it real.
Okay, I think I like it up there.
Keep it real in bigger places now.
Let's try to do powerful. Let's do less.
Keep it real in bigger places now, and I will.
Okay, I like that a lot. So now we have the vocal almost ready. Now another thing we can do is duplicate the track, and we're gonna duplicate the track unlinked, so the tracks are not linked, so we can edit them separately. And then for the second one, I'm gonna go right here to Notes panel, and what we're gonna do is select all of our notes in the second copy, and we're gonna do an AI retake. So we're gonna do a different pitch. So now you can see there's default take and take one. So it basically sings the same melody and lyrics, but slightly different. So it sounds like the singer sang it again. So there is gonna be slight pitch variation. So this is how the second take sounds.
Dreaming of.
And this is how the first one sounds.
Dreaming of.
Okay, we can also try selecting all the notes and do an AI retake for all parameters, so all. So it's gonna have different timing, pitch, and timbre, and that's gonna be take two. We can then switch in between the different takes.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now.
Then we can just lower the volume of the second one. So we have sort of like this double voice, but it's not as obvious.
Dreaming of.
And how about even trying to put a different singer on that second voice?
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I.
Or maybe Liam.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I.
So now that we have the vocal, we can of course preview it in the song again.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now.
And if you want to, you can also render it out. So you have the WAV file, but we don't need that right now. What I'm gonna do is actually go here and set this track on a new mixer channel. So we can actually put some effects from FL Studio on the vocal. So track 8, and I'm gonna put sound reducer on it to make it pop a bit more. Then some reverb like this, some delay like this with the timing set to 8, and then some EQ as well. So now what we got is this. So the plugin will be affected by the effects that we just put on it, so we can hear it in the song.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now. Keep it real in bigger places now, and I will, and I will.
Okay, I still don't like the keep it real is too loud, because I did give it more power. So let's actually give it less power, see how that sounds in both instances of the vocal.
Keep it real in bigger places now.
And let's try muting the double vocal.
Dreaming of bigger places now, because I feel enough for bigger places now. Keep it real in bigger places now, and I will, and I will.
Okay, I actually prefer the vocal by itself, but I wanted to show you how you can make the copy of the vocal and have it have a different AI retake. I prefer just the solo vocal right here. So now we have the vocal right in our song. We did it live in FL Studio, didn't need to leave FL Studio or anything like that. So if you want to continue the vocal and maybe add another vocal after this drop, which we have here. So here I created another like breakdown for another vocal. What you do, you just see this is on a 17th bar. So it actually puts you on a 17th bar in here as well. You can see it's synced, and you can create a new track, for example, Natalie, and then add the vocal here. And right away, we are creating another vocal in a different part of the track. And again, we can add more lyrics, and then we have this.
I will reach my dreams.
And another cool thing you can do, you can like extend any word like so. So dreams, and then put a minus sign in here. And then it's gonna continue the word in a different note, like this.
I will reach my dreams, flowing down.
And just like that, you can create these amazing vocals, and there is way more singing voices that you can get. They have a whole library of them, but I have these free to try out. So if you are interested, check out Synthesizer V Studio 2. Link is below. There is a free trial, so you can try it out and see if you like it. And now let's hear the finished result.
Dreaming of